How to mix coconut oil and baking soda for a face cleaning like you've never had before. Skincare products are all the rage these days. It seems like there is a lot of trust placed into the claims of them working wonders. They advertise "disappearing acne", "natural beauty", and "flawless skin". So, there are countless skincare products on the market, from cleansers, peels, scrubs and face wash to creams, moisturizers, and serums. Let us take the facial cleanser for example. Examining the back of it is a bit irritating. What does this term actually mean? Even if you ask someone knowledgeable on the topic, you will not get an answer as most of the words are confusing. So, who can explain what these treatments actually do to our faces? 1. The inside view on what you are rubbing on your face. When it comes to skincare, besides the many unhealthy ingredients, many products are placed on the market without satisfactory testing. The good news is that there is a way to separate yourself from the health risks and to get rid of the skin blemishes at the same time, making your own facial scrub. 3. Coconut oil is a facial moisturizer. Coconut oil is widely known for its moisturizing and antimicrobial properties which are ideal for cleansing the face. Amazingly, it is capable of killing off the bacteria that create pimples. The oil will hydrate and moisturize your skin without making it feel irritated as other products do. It also has anti-inflammatory properties that relieve the symptoms of conditions like psoriasis and eczema. 3. Baking soda for the skin. Baking soda is an essential part of any kitchen cabinet and is typically used as rising agent in foods. However, it turns out that it works as great face exfoliator as well, which is especially beneficial for removing blackheads. Rubbing this scrub on your face will make it feel soft and rejuvenated. Baking soda also soothes sunburns, so this day-eye facial cleanser is ideal for those who burn easily. 4. Day-eye coconut oil and baking soda facial scrub. Using coconut oil as facial moisturizer will definitely change the way you look at your skin. You probably have these ingredients at home already, so that is an added bonus. Don't wait any longer. Grab coconut oil and baking soda and prepare this facial cleanser right away. It is simple, all natural, cheap, yet extremely effective. Ingredients: 1/2 cup coconut oil, 1/2 cup baking soda. Instructions: if your coconut oil is liquidy and warm, it will be much simpler and easier to use. Mix the ingredients until fully combined. Simple as that. Transfer the facial cleanser into a shallow jar for easier access and use. Scrub the face as you usually do, and feel the huge difference.